Go bag method. 3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to episode 354 of the Shower Podcast, the podcast where I'm in my shower and you do you. I'm your host, Chip, and this is the first of the usual couple of episodes of the Weekend Drop, the shorter, easier version of the Shower Podcast, where in just one episode, I try to give you a simple idea that you can carry into the weekend. Before we start, as usual, if you end up liking this episode, remember that liking and subscribing really mean a lot for me. They're just one click, but they really make the difference. Thank you very much for considering it. Today's idea is reliability by design, the go bag method. You build a small kit, physical or digital, so the setup for a recurring activity is basically zero. Pack it once, start fast every time. Most routines don't fail at the hard part. They fail at the start. You plan to train, but your shoes are in the wrong place and the bottles unwashed. You plan to write, but the document is blank and the links you need are buried. You plan to record, but a cable is missing and the battery is on charge. None of these are dramatic events, but it's just enough friction to make later win. Behavioral science has been clear about this. When the ability side of a behavior gets easier, follow through jumps. B.J. Fogg's work at Stanford boils it down to motivation, ability, and a prompt arriving together. Lower friction and you raise the ability. Elliot Fishback research on goal pursuit lands in the same spot. Tiny barriers at the beginning cut persistence. Tiny facilitators increase it. In plain English, you don't always need more willpower if you simply need less setup. A go bag is a portable stat line. For movement, it might be shoes, socks, headphones, a charge tracker, a tiny towel, the same items, always in the same tote by the door. For deep work, it can be a digital kit. For meal prep, it's the knife you like, a cutting board, containers, and a micro shopping list clipped inside a cabinet. The magic is sameness. Every time you reach for the kit, it's already in a go position. You pack once, top it up lightly, and stop paying the startup tax. This isn't about perfect gear. It's about removing the excuses you know are coming. Think of the tiny failures that visit you again and again. Missing socks, dead batteries. Where did I save that link? The go bag assumes they will show up and makes them irrelevant. Instead of hoping your future self is more disciplined, you make your future self ready. Picture one activity that would meaningfully improve your weekend if it happened twice. A short workout, a focused writing burst, a clean meal prep, a walk with a podcast, a quick recording session. Again, whatever works for you. Imagine now arriving at that moment and everything you need is within reach, charged, and in the same place as the last time. Notice the little sound of relief when there's nothing to hunt for. That relief is energy you get back. So, here's the move for today. Choose one routine and build the go bag for it. If it's physical, gather the items. If it's digital, prepare the files beforehand. Just make sure they're not hidden. They're just visible in front of you. Then, use the kit twice before Monday. Don't treat it like a shrine. Treat it like a hammer. After the second run, adjust whatever slowed you down and call it done. If you want one lie to carry into the week, keep this. Make the right thing the easy thing. Fogg and Fishback both point to the same quiet truth. Reduce the activation energy and the behavior shows up. Pack once, start fast, and let the routine take care of itself. That was all for today. Thank you very much for listening. If you made it so far, feel free to interact with this content in any way, shape, or form you like by liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. Whatever works for you works for me. And as usual, stay consistent, stay resilient. This was the Shower Podcast, and I'll see you tomorrow.